As you saw in yesterday's video, I picked up this 5030 here. The guy we got it off of, well, my grandparents found it for me. They own a hay business, and while they were delivering hay, the guy buying hay off of them, looking to get rid of this tractor. So my grandparents reached out to me, and I went and looked at it. But before I went over there, the guy told me that it hadn't ran in a year. He parked it because the clutch was going out, or was out of it. So I decided I'll go over and look at it, see what I think. And yeah, he just wanted to get rid of it. Didn't want nothing for it. But I tried to be a nice guy, and I hate taking stuff for free. So I tried to give him quite a bit of money. He wouldn't take it. So I gave him half of what I tried to give him, and we agreed. So yeah, I got a really good deal on this. Probably the cheapest tractor I'll ever get in. But it's an Alice Chalmers 5030. When I got there, he got on it, fired right up. Hadn't ran in a year and fired right up. Hydraulics are a little slow, so it probably needs filter change and fluid change. But yeah, overall, I mean, it's a decent little tractor. The paint looks still poor because it's been sitting outside, but it ain't all dented up and beat up. So I mean, it ain't as bad as it looks when you look closer at it. But yeah, this is it. I wish I had a Alice loader on it, but hey, I ain't gonna complain. Tires ain't half bad either on it. But when I did go over there to pick it up, we lifted the hood up just in case we had to jump it. And the owner guy got on the tractor, and when he went to fire it up, you should have saw how many wasps came out of there. So he got a garden hose out and started spraying them all. And that just made him even more mad. So we got a couple nests knocked down, and then there was another nest we couldn't find, so we just kept spraying water. I threw coveralls, sweatshirt, and gloves on, and on a 100-degree day, sweating my butt off just to get on the trailer here. But so earlier, I was like, before I came out here to mess with this, I was like, I'm gonna spray the rest of the wasps down. And there's a ton on the deck of my trailer here. There was a massive nest underneath the dash there, so I got them all killed. So I'm gonna throw you guys on time-lapse mode and unchain it, and then pick you guys back up, show you how easy it fires up, and drive it on off here. fired right up. But there's no brakes. I didn't know that until now. But yeah, there ain't no brakes on this tractor. But for some reason the clutch is working. I think it just needs adjustment. But got the drive pretty much smooth back out. I mean, it seems like it functions as it should. Filter change and fluid change, I think it'd be top notch. And maybe adjust that clutch a little bit, and then check out the brakes, see what the deal is with that. But and then there is still one Wasp flying around. He's a little mad when I unloaded off the trailer, so let's see. Try to kill him, or see if there's another nest somewhere, and get him dead, so I don't get stung again, because I got stung yesterday loading it. But yeah, here it is, a little 5030 Alice Chalmers with a Freeman loader on it. It was on a horse farm, so I mean it got used, but it didn't get used too bad. Looks like it has 1,315 hours on it. Needs a new seat, and the sheet metal looks poor, but I mean it's straight. Very fixable. So I haven't checked the lift arms, see if they work, or the PTO. It is missing the drawbar, but I mean I can live with that. Fenders aren't all rotted out either, so. And the rear tires and the front tires aren't terrible. So overall, it's a pretty nice tractor, to be honest. Pop the hood here real quick. Don't touch the muffler, a little hot. Yeah, a little 2-cylinder diesel. I'll have to check on the ear to see what ear it is. I'll fire it up real quick. Well, maybe. There we go. Well, maybe it don't want to fire up now. I don't. So when I came off the trailer, battery cable popped off because it's loose. That's why it wouldn't start. But here you go. Might as well test the lift arms now. Oh heck. Lift arms even work. Oh dang, they even go down. Normally they don't go back down. Dang. This thing is a sweet little tractor. The loader's a little slow. Gotta throttle it up. There we go. Yeah, there she is, guys. 200 bucks. Cheapest tractor I'll ever own. Right here. So there you can see the hood a little bit better. The loader ain't the greatest shape, but hey, it'll work. And I guess if you guys like today's video, make sure to hit that like button. Put in the comments what you'd like to see me do with this little tractor, because I don't think I can sell it. I can't pass up a good deal like that, and I won't ever find another one, so, or another deal like that. So I'm probably gonna keep it. But this thing's pretty universal. So put in the comments what you'd like to see me do with this thing, and I can crank some more videos out of it in the future. So thanks for watching.